gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video, and today we're going to be doing helicopter testing with a Roblox character from Walmart.
That belongs to the head of the Neon Kings, right here. Also, if you don't know my channel, be sure to search up on YouTube, the Neon Kings, and you'll find the neon logo.
Okay, let's get started. Here's our little Roblox figure. We duct taped him. Well, we regular crystal taped him. And here's the helicopter. Is it turned on?
No.
Okay, let's turn it on. Turned on?
Okay, it's turned on.
Okay. That's normal.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Wait.
Thor?
We're just gonna pause. Okay, we're back. We've tested it and it works.
Turning the lights off. Okay, ready?
So, this man is ready for his adventure.
Take off. It doesn't work. He's too heavy.
He's too heavy on because he's on one side. We need something equally as heavy on the other side. That's why I had it dangling before.
Okay.
I have a better idea. We'll be back after we implant it. Okay, back. Come on, turn it on.
Coming.
We've made the new one. So now he's dangling with this strip of tape. Hopefully this will work.
3, 2,
Test number 2. This is test number 2.
lift off.
Oof. Test 2, attempt 2. Okay. Oh my gosh. It was working. It was working though. Come on. We have to try again. We have to try again. Come on. We can't let the flame die out. This can work. It was working.
Well, I tried turning. How about?
No, that's not good. It's not gonna be good. Nope. Nope. This might be a too heavy object. We might have to replace it. I mean, it's not actually that heavy. It's made out of plastic and it has holes in it, so it shouldn't be that heavy.
How about we try and make it from here?
No, because if it falls backwards,
Okay.
we're gonna find a new location. Okay, guys, so we found this location because on our test over there, it kept going towards that way, towards the piano, and it crashed. So if we put it here, it might have enough energy to lift off before it crashes into the piano and therefore overcoming the piano.
Okay, let's do it. Lift off in 3,
Attempt
2,
test 2, attempt 3.
1.
Go.
Begin.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay, let's put it
We're
a
gonna
little bit more there.
we're gonna move it away from the sofa because because we're gonna put it more towards the sofa. We put it farther. Oh my gosh, it's working. It's working. It's working. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Come on.
It can't go any higher.
This little helicopter doesn't have enough power to lift this weight.
I put it on max. We're gonna have to get a new thing.
We're gonna have to replace the object. We'll meet you back when we've done that. Okay, so we're back, and our lighter object is Lego Spider-Man. And we've used chains. We've used Lego chains.
We couldn't find his original web sling, so
We've used chains. Okay.
So also,
Let-
I want to tell you.
Let's move it
that
over here.
Here's the mission. We're gonna fly this all the way here
And we're gonna land it on this plate
and I drawed.
with a helipad.
Yeah.
It's a great helipad. Okay.
Let's
So
go.
here we go. This is test 3. Oh my gosh, it's working. Come on. Yes! We need it higher. We need it higher. We did it! Mission accomplished.
Sorry, Bob-Man. Ouch.
Okay, that could have gone better, but it flew. That was the whole point of this. That was the whole point of this video, to test if this little helicopter can actually lift something up.
We're gonna
'Cause it's
complete
small.
the mission, right?
No,
Why?
fine, we can complete the mission.
Okay, so
But I
this is a
mean,
pit stop.
we have to like do it quickly because
Yep.
yeah, he doesn't know what this is, and he could break it. It's really delicate. Well, it's not the most delicate thing. So, okay, come on, Spider-Man. Come on, Spidey, my boy. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Okay, we were so close. We were like, how much is that? We were 4 centimeters away. No, we were 4 centimeters away. Yo sé, pero si él entra, no vas a ver qué es esto.
Okay, I think we might call it.
Okay, well, we can't lift off from the couch. There we go. We did it. Oh, well, guys. That was the end of this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Yeah. Our next one is going to be the 20 subscriber special. There's going to be a few videos coming up. So, yeah, be prepared for that. Bye.
See me in Zen game.